Okay, guys, how are you? All right, I hope you are having a good time because I'm having a good time. Okay, I'm live. Okay, it's confirmed I'm live. So, hi guys, good evening. Today is 18th of January 2017. All right, as per our agenda, I would like to go through three items. All right, I would like to go through three items. Okay, first thing is I want to talk a little bit about trend. Okay, I want to talk a little about trend. Okay, hang on a minute. Yeah, okay, all right. Please hold your. You can say hi and stuff like that. No problem. But please hold all your questions. All right. Okay. Good evening. All right. So let's talk about first agenda, which is about the trend. Okay, I'm kind of a little bit prepared. Okay, as you guys already knew, okay, okay, what do we mean by trend? No, most of the time we don't really have a like all the way up or all the way down like this, right? We rarely have this kind of trends, right? This is maybe out of 10 times, it is like maybe 10% of the time it moves that way, that manners rather, right? Most of the times, even there is a trend exists, there will be, let me draw that again. There will be like the trend move in such a manner, right? It will be that way, right? Or on another way down, okay? Another way down will be this manner, right? This is how the trend move. Okay, so think about it. Okay, when you look at it quite closely, whenever there is a trend move, okay, there will be upswing and a downswing. All right, so that means what? Even in the even in the overall uptrend, there will be upswing and there will be a minor downswing. Of course, it is an uptrend, so the amount of downswing is lesser compared to the upswing. Okay, so being a trader, you need to aware of that. Okay, please try to aware of that. What do I try to mean is that, okay, I have seen a lot of people try to live candle by candle. I say today I see the bullish candle, I'm a bullish. The next day I see a bearish candle, I'm bearish. So end up, they most of the time they got chopped up. Okay, you got what I mean? What happened was that they saw a bearish candle in a downtrend. They saw a bearish candle in the uptrend. Then they thought that it's a down. I mean, it's a short scenario. So what happened is that they short. Okay, all right. So maybe nothing really much wrong with being in the short side for a time being. But the problem is they are not mentally prepared as well. So what happened? For example, if a person see an uptrend, I mean, when they start to see the downward candle, they short it up. All right. Then what happened? If because of overall underlying is in the uptrend, right? So now or later the market turn back against him. So what happened? The he's in the loose already, right? Then he tried to try to protect his position, or he tried to widen his stop loss, all those things. So end up what? He become counter trending. He just actually, what the reason in the first place that he just shot it in the first place because he saw a one particular down candle, but kind of like get it emotional, so called everything messed up. Then he kind of lost his way already. So end up losing more than what he's supposed to be losing in the first place. Okay, so the main reason that a lot of people have this issue is that they do not aware of the overall of it. All right. So this is what I want you guys to. I mean, if you guys know it already, okay, good. You are good. I have nothing to say. But there were, because I'm aiming for those people that who join me and trying to learn something from me. Okay, this is what I can give you. Please try to look at the overall picture as well. Okay, because we cannot live by candle by candle. All right, either you are talking about 5 minute time frame, 5 minute candle, 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candle, or even one day, or even a weekly. All right, there will always be some sort of a bearish candle in the uptrend and a bullish candle in the downtrend. All right, so please be always aware of that. Okay, so what you should do is by understanding the so-called the underlying trend, you should be prepared with, okay, I am shorting. All right, I'm doing a short because of what? Okay, bearish candle, right? All right, then you have to have a proper preparation. I'm shorting because of bearish candle, and the line is stay bullish. Okay, please be aware of this kind of arrangement. All right, so that because once you open a trade, the profit and loss in your screen will grab you. All right, so that's what I can tell you about the trend. Okay, so from this episode, I would like to make sure that you guys got what I mean by, like, always have to see the bigger picture. All right, so Another thing I would like to a bit touch on is how the trend ends. All right, okay. So let me talk a little bit how the trend ends. Most of the time, as long as there is an underlying trend, they will always be, they will always be moving in their direction. Sorry, let me draw that again. Okay, okay, okay. So they will be like this is how the downtrend works, right? So what will happen is that whenever there is a so-called the end of the trend begin, okay, most of the time what will happen is that there will be a one big stopping either candle or some price action will appear. All right, and this is kind of like a indication to tell you that is there new events or either like either a new events or either like some sort of like a data is totally in the opposite direction. All right, so the market will have like a stopping candle. So what does it tell you? So you have to understand the idea that there are a lot of downward pressure coming up. All of a sudden something is totally blocking it. Okay, so whenever you see this kind of so-called pattern showing up, okay, I don't like to talk pattern, but it's this kind of pattern showing up, okay, you should be aware that, okay, the downward pressure is somehow trying to being absorbed already. All right, because I'm telling you now because I'm seeing something like this right now already. Okay, later I will relate it to whatever I'm talking about. Okay, but there will always be a overflow energy, overflow momentum, right? So very unlikely that we have this kind of stopping candle, and very unlikely that the next day it will just go up like that. Very unlikely. Okay, so what happened most of the time is hang on, yeah. Okay, what happened most of the time? Okay, let's talk about downtrend again. Okay, what happened most of the time is whenever we have this kind of thing happen, there will be a period that it is really on the sideways methods. All right, so that means there's a trending, there is a so-called absorption or sideways market, and then okay, of course we need to see whoever win. All right, most of the time this kind of candle is too strong, and they will eventually the bull will start to roll over and the new trend will emerge. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's draw this way. Okay, all right, so please be patient. Okay, so let me show you what am I talking about. Okay, example yesterday this GU. All right, so we have a similar so-called bearish momentum showing up. Even Monday they do the gap down to whip everybody out, right? And they ramp it up without all the guys up. All right, so that means they by this week whoever long also kena, whoever short also kena, right? Okay, so now okay, anyway, that's a pass. All right, that's a pass. Okay, now move forward. In my opinion, market is pretty bullish right now already. All right, market is bullish right. Hang on. Sorry, Aaron. Market is bullish right now already. Right, so they will be start to take some ranging and it will go back up. Okay, so please be patient. Okay, it will be quite rarely in case that market will today go up, the next day will go up just like that. All right, okay, so ranging market make people confused and it will kill everybody. All right, so got to watch out. In my opinion, for example, like a pair like GU, they are developing a new trend already, which is on the bullish side. Okay, so that's what telling me is that I will be very likely to long than short. Okay, that's it. All right. Okay, so that's about it for the nature of the trend. All right, let's talk about UCAT. All right, UCAT last Monday, because yesterday I did not have our live section. So last Monday I was talking that, all right, in the early week, which is this week, right? In early this week, I am telling that there will be a very high chance that US dollar will be making a comeback, right? It was swing back. So I was like rather one day late. All right, so now it's in effect right now. Okay, so it's now currently it's swinging right up. Okay, swinging right up. So if you have a short, you may want to, if you have a short and you are in a profit, you may want to take some profit out first. Okay, nonetheless, in my opinion, market is not really not really for the long uptrend. Okay, of course it's yet for us to find out, in my opinion, but it will pretty go up a little bit higher to swing people out first, because there were a lot of people you know, because of these because of this movement, a lot of people are shorting here. All right, a lot of people are shorting here. So in my opinion, it will go back higher just to screw them around. All right, so I'm expecting it can go up as high as 1.322 level. All right, which is this level. All right, so I won't be surprised. All right, so but it may not be the really new trend, but the retracement is I mean, so-called in action right now. Okay, so careful if you have a UCAT short, and especially if your UCAT is very tight with a type stop loss. Okay, this is how it works. All right, okay, and same thing on the JPY. I have this over a 2 week. I have one JPY position. I have another JPY position. All are taken. I mean, all are close with the profit already. So I'm out from JPY position. I was expecting this level to bounce. Same thing again. I was one day late, one day out rather. All right. So I'm expecting it will go up higher. Maybe it will be around somewhere around 114.9, 115 level. This level. All right. It should go that level quite easily. All right. Watch out for it. All right. Okay, that's it for forex. Okay, let's talk about stocks. Okay, so I will take this away. All right. Okay, let's talk about stock. Last Monday, I give you guys a few stocks for you guys to take note. Okay, it's written here: Best War, Alliance Mineral, Lois Energy, ISEC, and Sui Hao. Okay, let's see how they do right now. Okay, what you are looking right now is Best War. Okay, so it's doing pretty well. Okay, it's in our favor. We are on the, I mean, our prediction is right. Okay, so it's doing well in my opinion. So it should go up higher. Of course, we are a bit watch out in the watch out mode already, but nonetheless we are in a profit right now. Okay, so this is for Best War. So we are right on number one. Okay, one of the counter that I have mentioned. Okay, let's look at another one. Another one I mentioned is the Alliance Mineral. Okay, I also talk about being bullish, right? So let's look at it here. Okay, we are doing quite okay here as well. So it's going up as well. So Alliance Mineral, I am expecting it shall go up higher. Of course, you know, I will be happy it go to 0.109 level. All right. Okay, another one is Lois Energy. All right, Lois Energy. I was talking about Lois Energy. So two counter, we are in the right side so far. Okay. All right, Lois Energies. Okay, Lois Energy. Okay, I was telling you guys to be a little bit cautiously bullish. So we are not doing well. We are not doing badly. So it's more like ngam ngam. So it's like half half. Okay, so I don't consider this as correct analysis yet. So two out of three we are correct. Okay, another one I want to talk about is ISEC. Right? Remember, if you can go back and see my previous video. Okay, if you want to find out. Okay, that was one. Okay, ISCC. Okay, ISCC, we are doing pretty good as well. All right, we are doing pretty good in my opinion. All right, then if we normally I present in the weekly time frame, so it's yep, because I mentioned that we have a nice pin bar which is possibly bullish, right? And I was telling you guys that it will be nice this week will be accompanied by the bullish candle. So far this is what happening right now. So let's say can say we are on the right side. Okay, so 4 out of 3 is okay. All right, last but not least, this landmine counter called Sui Hong. All right, let's take a look. Sui Hong. All right, hang on. Okay, Sui Hong is okay. All right, Sui Hong is they do a little bit of stop hunting. Okay, I will not claim that I am good, but of course I am expecting to go up higher. All right, so I will say 3 out of 5 we are on the right side. Okay, I would like to monitor Sui Hong a little bit more, and if okay, I want to wait until bullish candle show up again to long. Okay. All right, not Sui yet. Yep, yes, Kevin. Of course, we are not right all the pairs. I mean all the things, but so far 3 out of 5 I would say is okay. Anchor, right? Anchor. Let's look at Anchor. Where is Anchor? Okay, I do one analysis. Where is Anchor, bro? Okay. All right, Anchor Resources. Okay, let's do some analysis. Okay. All right. Yep. Anchor Resources also doing quite well. All right. In my opinion, of course, it have a higher chance of going up than down. Okay. Anchor Resource. Well, how will I play it? Okay. let me give you my input. Of course, you can choose to follow me or not, up to you. All right. In my opinion, okay, now we have a bit of a so-called pullback right now, right? So in my opinion, if you ask me, I will wait until around 0.98 level. Okay, so by doing so, 0.98, you can do two things. Of course, you can do buy limit or you can do buy stops, up to you. But I will be very highly interested in this level. All right. Okay, now it's already 9:15, so I would like to wrap it up now. So first, I talk to you guys about nature of the trend. So I want you, from this episode, I want you, what is the takeaway for you guys is, do not like have a tunnel vision. Okay, just not look at the candle. One day up, one day down. You one day up, you long, one day down, you short. Is the best way to bust your account. Okay, please have a please have a mind of like overall a little bit of structures, so at least you know it's like a compass to guide you along. Okay, and even you are on the wrong side of the trade, you know, by having a plan in advance, you know, you will have, okay, why I long in the first place, why I short in the first place. All right, that's the thing that I want you to take a look. And another thing is about the trend. Same thing on the trend. I want to talk about, once there's a trend, so-called the stopping candle coming in, something like this. Okay, it rarely go take off immediately. Okay, of course, take off. Of course, I will be more than happy, but very likely that it will swing and it will range quite a bit until the bearish energy is totally taken over by bullish energy. Then they will start to trend. Okay. So thank you for watching. And last but not least, I keep my so-called my recording in this channel, trading Sonnet R Mastery Trading Course. So I will be uploading later on. Okay, if you want to rewatch again, you can like my video, you can subscribe to our channel. Okay, I will be more and more active on that. All free, guys, all for free. All right. So have a nice day, and I talk to you guys again. All right. So bye for now.